Can you tell me where age spots come from? An age spot is a product of the process called lipofuscin happening in the cell. We can't feel an age spot, but we do know they're typically a sign of the skin aging. They occur as a result of a chain reaction caused by free radicals.
What are free radicals?
Free radicals are everywhere. They're found in air pollution, low quality rancid oil products, pesticides, heavy metals, common household personal care products like fragrance and parabens. They're even caused by UVA damage from the sun. If these blocks represent a cell in the body with a nucleus at the end, a chain reaction of free radical damage can look like this. Breaking down the nucleus, possibly causing a mutation, which can lead to an age spot. But don't worry, every story with a villain has a superhero. Have you ever heard of antioxidants? Antioxidants are the superhero that can stop any free radical chain reaction dead in its tracks. We get tons of antioxidants based on a healthy diet rich in local and organic foods. From veggies and fruits to high quality oils like coconut oil and wild rosehip seed oil. Here's this demonstration again with antioxidants here to save the day. They act as barriers from free radical damage. As you can see, the free radical chain reaction gets stopped dead in its tracks. And the nucleus gets saved. And the nucleus gets saved. You can see that the nucleus stays protected. At Miiko Skin Co., we focus on creating products that are rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. Because even if we can't make an age spot go away, we can at least focus on stopping it dead in its tracks. And I want to get the thing where I hit the coconut down.